of Bill of Rights is to withdraw certain subjects from the vicissitudes of political controversy, to place them beyond the reach of majorities and officials, and to establish them as legal principles to be applied by the courts. One's right to life, liberty, and property, to free speech or freedom of worship and assembly, and other fundamental rights may not be submitted to a vote. They depend on outcome of no elections. West Virginia State Board of Education v. Barnett, 319 U.S. 659-638. Ang Bill of Rights malipod sa batakang katungod sa masikinabuhi, kagawsanan og kabtangan, pagsulti periodiko, relihiyon og pagtigom. Dili kini pwede kuhaon o usbon, pinaagi lang sa eleksyon, boto o sugo sa opisyal sa gobyerno. Kini mga katungod permente o kinahanglan respetoon sa korte. Constitutional rights. Constitutional rights are the basic rights and freedoms that are guaranteed and protected by a country's constitution. These rights limit the power of government and ensure that every person is treated fairly, equally, and with dignity. An example of constitutional rights: 1. Right to life, liberty, and property. Right to due process. The government cannot punish you without fair procedures. Right to equal protection of the laws. Right to freedom of speech and expression. Right to freedom of religion, and etc. Social justice and human rights. Social justice is neither communism nor despotism nor atomism nor anarchy, but the humanization of laws and the equalization of social and economic forces by the state, so that justice in its rational of objectively secular conception may at least approximated. Social justice means the promotion of the welfare of the people, the adoption by the government of measures calculated to ensure economic stability of the competent elements of society. Ang social justice dili komunismo, diktatura o kagubot. Pasabutan ni ang paghimo sa balaod nga makatawan og patas og pagsiguro sa mga nga patas ang higayon para sa tanan. Ang gobyerno kinahanglan magmalambo sa kaayuhan sa tanan o maghimo og mga paagi aron masiguro ang kalig-on og kabatasan sa ekonomiya og sa katilingban.
Section 1. The Congress shall give highest priority to the attachment of measures that protect and enhance the right of all the people to human dignity, reduce social, economic, and political inequalities, and remove cultural inequities by equitably diffusing wealth and political power for the common good. To this end, the state shall regulate the acquisition, ownership, use, and disposition of property and its increment. Okay. Protect people dignity. Ensure everyone is treated with respect and has basic rights. For example, dignity. Enacting laws against discrimination based on gender, religion, or ethnicity. Section 3. The state is required to provide full protection to all workers, both local and overseas, regardless of whether they are organized. This includes promoting full employment and equal opportunities. It shall guarantee and rights of all workers to self-organization, collective bargaining, and negotiations, and peaceful concerted activities, including the right to strike in accordance with law. They shall be entitled to security, to tenure, human condition of work, and a living wage. They shall also participate in policy and decision-making processing affecting their rights and benefit as may provide by law. The states must fully protect all workers, whether local or overseas, regardless of their organizational status, promoting full employment and equal opportunities.
It shall limit the rights of workers to self-organization also, beginning of the negotiations of peaceful rights of straight accordance with the law shall be entitled and security nature human condition work in living with the all also fiscal policy and decisions to make this. So, ang example na nila kanang mga kwan, kanang mga nasa mga abroad na naamla sila kanang agency nga tigwan sila nga tigwan mo kanang agency nga tigwan nga okay ba sila kanang secure sa ilaha nga unsa na ilang trabaho or naunsa na ba sila diha. So section 14, so the state protect working women and providing safe and health working conditions, taking into the internal and successful stations in the thirds of the nations. So dire na to nga maprotektahan nila ang mga trabaho lalo na sa mga kaibahan sa mga gitan ng pagbigay ligtas at kalusugan ng kondisyon. So when gina-check na nila kung nabay sakit ang isa ka trabahanting lalo na mga bayan na isay bawal nila na para safety po to dili ang ilang health. So 15, the state shall respect the role of independent people, organizations, and able to people purpose to protect the framework, the regiment of collective interests and aspirations through peaceful and law means. So ginagalang nila kung ano ang organization ng mga mamayan para sa pagtugis sa pagprotekta sa kolektibong interes. Number 16, the rights of the people, their organizations to affected reasonable protections of levels of social, political, and economic decisions making shall not be a right. The state shall be establishment and constitution. So dito natin makita na tiyak ang karapatan ng mga tao ng kanilang mga organizations na makipagbahagi sa mga decisions o lipunan ng pang-ekonomiya. So, pang-ekonomiya. Number 17, so the last so number 17, independent commissions of human rights and established to protect and promote the human rights. So, nagtatag ng isang independentiyang communication sa karapatan ng pantao upang pag-alagaan ang karapatan ng pantao. So, ang bill, so, mora to. So, manan ako. Bye and thank you.